So he wants the x-intercepts. Remember, you can always get x-intercepts by letting y equal 0. You don't see a y here, but remember f of x stands for y, is a fancy name for y. We're naming our function y, or y f of x. Okay. So I'm going to let 0 equal x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 4. I'm going to solve this. The power is big, so I've got it set equal to 0. I'm going to factor it. There are 4 terms, so I want to use grouping. So if I group these two, factor out an x squared, leaving me with x plus 1, factor out a negative 4, leaving me with x plus 1. They match, we're thrilled. So I'm going to factor out that x plus 1 from both of them, leaving me with x squared minus 4 times x plus 1. This guy can be factored further. He's a difference of squares. So that's x plus 2, x minus 2, and this x plus 1 is still chilling there. So your final x-intercepts, if we set each of these to 0, we'll get negative 2, 2, and negative 1. So those are my x-intercepts. If I want to find my y-intercept, I'm going to let x equal 0, and so that'll mean that y will equal, just plugging in the 0, 0 cubed plus 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 4. So that's just 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 4, so that's just minus 4. So y equals minus 4 is my y-intercept. So now if I go to graph these, coming over here, I have x-intercepts. We said our x-intercepts, where it crosses that x-axis, it's going to be negative 2, 2, and negative 1. And the y-intercept was negative 4. Now, I just need to connect the dots. Because all of my factors were raised to the first power, there's no multiplicities there. They're all to the first power. So 1, a 1, and a 1, invisible ones. It's just going to cut through every single one of these. It's not going to touch. It's not going to linger. So I'm going to start down here, come up here, cross through there, and go through there. And that's a nice sketch of my graph. If you really wanted to, and I don't think he did, but if you were ever uncertain where points went, you could make an XY table and get as many points as you needed until this sort of shape came out. You could plug in maybe a 1, a 3. I think this is fine though. Just draw those points, connect the dots, cutting through each one of those x-intercepts and making sure you get through the y-intercept. And there he is.